goes slack, you wind it back. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows. A new breeze blows and its wings fill and up it goes. And up it goes. Here slack means loose. When the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flyer runs and rolls it back. He waits till a new breeze, new air blows again and again and fills its wings with the air again to help it to fly high. Again help it to fly high. See next line. How bright and blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. The top of a tree. Here raggeder means torn or tattered. Torn or tattered. Here how bright and the blue is a kite when it's new. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn out look which is not liked by anyone. Because if the kite struck on the top of a tree, what happened? The kite looks like very bad, isn't it? Some part are tears in the top of a tree, isn't it? Here that only explained it. A kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky, but when it gets struck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor worn outlook which is not liked by anyone. Have you all understood? Did you all like this poem? Yes, read this poem. Okay, listen the summary. Again, I will say the summary. The clear sky means when there are no clouds, a kite will look bright in it, isn't it? It will be clearly noticeable. The kite curls with a end. Then while flying, all of a sudden the kite goes high. The kite goes high on the top, just like a ship. Goes up and down and the crest of waves with a sail cloth. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens. The flyer tries to roll the thread and runs till a new breeze, a new air fills its wings. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets struck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor look. Okay. Read this poem. Next we will see extract of this poem. Okay. See extract. What is new in the sky? What is new in the sky? The kite. The answer is the kite. Who is the speaker in this poem? Harry Ben. Next one, the kite soars like a ship. It snaps its tail. Pick out the rhyming words. Blue, new, dip, ship, tail, sail, tides, rides. Take your English note. Write clearly in your note. Read this poem and study the extract. Thank you, students.